provided natin. At syempre, we'd like to acknowledge the presence of our producer, Prime Videos, and Shirley Batam. I hope I got her name right. Miss Shirley, thank you, and Miss Taffy! Emilio Diaz and Aya Fernandez!
Maraming salamat sa nag-iisang PJ.
You're
Yes,
welcome.
maraming salamat po, PJ. Hello po, mga kapamilya. Welcome to the special screening of Saving Grace. This afternoon is very special because we will watch the first episode of the series.
Magandang hapon pa po tayo dyan. Yes, of course. Feel free to sit back, relax, find your seats, find a comfortable spot. Hindi man Mother's Day ngayon, Emilio. Pero ngayon, we are celebrating the different kinds of love from a mother. Gaya rin ng nabanggit kanina ni Ms. Julia Montes, tayo yung nanay. So shoutout sa mga nanay dyan. Pakitaas naman po ang inyong mga kamay. Sino po ang ating mga mothers dito ngayon present?
Ayan, shout out po sa inyo lahat po ng mga nanay. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagmamahal.
Maraming salamat.
Kaya naman, let's also now acknowledge the presence of our very important people, executives and bosses, the one and only Ms. Cory Gudanes, our Chief Operating Officer. Isang round of applause for Ms. Cory.
We also have Ms. Kylie Manalo Balagtas. She is the head of Viewscape Entertainment. Magandang hapon po. Palakpakan na natin. Maraming salamat po dito.
Of course, hindi rin magpapauli, Mr. Rondel P. Lindayan, head of Viewscape Entertainment. Maraming salamat po.
Media Prime Video Southeast Asia and Middle East North, Ms. Sherlyn Paruhino.
And our head of international distribution, Ms. Pia Laura.
Huwag naman natin kakalimutan ang ating resource persons. Diba? Marami tayong Dawn Roda. She's the program head of Bantay Bata 163, ABS-CBN Foundation.
Thank you so much. We would also like to acknowledge Professor Hazel Cometa Lamberte. She is a registered social worker and a professor at the Department of Social Work in UP Diliman, an advocate of child rights and protection.
Tama yan. Dahil dito, we are not only tackling topics that are close to the heart, which is mother's love, family love. We are also shedding light on issues such as child abuse and domestic violence. And with that, maraming sa the Police Staff Surgeon, Claro Fornis of Makati City Police Station.
Kita po talaga sa Saving Grace kung gaano po ka-research na the patient po na ito and how seriously we take the advocacy of child rights and protection and making sure that we portray it properly.
At ngayon naman, Emilio, bilang mga artista, nakita natin yung paghihirap. Actually, wala pa nga tayo sa kalahati ng nakita natin paghihirap ng mga tao sa likod ng camera. Ngayon, we'd like to acknowledge the people behind the camera. It is an honor to mention their names. First, our production assistant. Sa tiyaga, sa tiwala, sa hard work talaga, no? Kasi kung ano yung pinaparamdam ng production, syempre, bilang artista, ibabalik mo yun din. At ngayon naman, of course, ang ating production stylist, Miss Leah Noxio.
And of course, we would also like to thank our production designer, Mr. Chris Eckert de Guzman. Maraming salamat po.
And birthday na today!
Birthday po ni Sir Chris. Isang maligayang happy birthday sa'yo. Maligayang karawan po, Sir Chris.
And ngayon naman, ang ating director of photography, Mr. David Anthony Diaz Abaya. Sir, maraming salamat. And Fidel Briones, may
We would also like to thank the writers of Saving Grace, Mr. David Franch Juco and LJ Candelaria. Maraming salamat po.
of course, course, our head writer, Miss
Maraming salamat naman. Yes, and of course, the producers of Saving Grace, Sir Ronald Dantes Atienza. Salamat po sa hard work ninyo sa Saving Grace.
And now our co-executive producers, Miss Kylie Manalo Balagtas, and of course, Mr. Randel Pilindaya. Maraming salamat po.
And last but definitely not the least, the executive producers of Saving Grace, Mr. Carlo L. Katigbak.
Shout out to the patients of our assistant directors as well. Miss Judy Carino. And Yodi James Tulabo.
Jay, salamat po. And we would also like to thank our location managers, Miss Raquel Yalo, Mr. Jose Lindo Flores, and Mr. Darwin Aguilar. Maraming salamat po.
Hindi rin na magiging posible mula.
And of course, the Direk Coco Martin. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, CM. Kung kanina binanggit ko sa kanilang lahat yung pinunong sa akin noon sa graduation. Treat every project like it's your last. And we definitely did that with this project. And I hope it's not our last, but hard work will be seen definitely.
Sobrang galing. At alam ng buong Pilipinas kung gaano po kagaling si Miss Julia Montes. At makikita niyo po ulit siya dito lang sa Saving Grace. Looking stunning and beautiful as always is Julia Montes.
Julia to your left. Here. 1, 2, 3. Julia to your left. Here. Julia here. One more. Julia, one more. Julia, one more. Here. Here. Thank you.
Hello, Miss Julia. Sorry, Ate Julia. We love you.
Congratulations, Miss Julia. Gusto ko namin tanungin kung ano ang mensahe mo sa mga anak na manonood ng Saving Grace dahil ang tema natin ay mother's love. Pero ikaw, bilang anak dito, ano ang iyong mensahe sa mga ating manonood?
Siguro masasabi ko, iba talaga ang mother's love. Hindi kailangan galing sa sinapupunan mo para masabi mahal ka ng magulang mo or mahal ka ng ina mo. Makikita mo kung ano talaga yung magic ng love, especially na kayo sa'yo or mismong nanay mo. So, marami kayong lesson. Siguro ngayon pala, simulan nyo nang sabihin sa mga nanay ninyo na maraming salamat at mahal na mahal na sa'yo.
Thank you so much, Miss Julia. Gandang mensahe from the one and only Julia Montes. Abangan niyo po sa Saving Grace.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations once again.
Napakaganda ng sinabi. Thank you.
Well, one quick photo up with Miss Julia. We'd like to call again the cast of Saving Grace for...
Ladies and gentlemen, the whole cast and production of Saving Grace. And now we are going to do a photo opportunity with all the cast. Miss Kylie, Sir Rondell, Head of Newscape, Miss Pia Laurel, Head of International Distribution, and Tita Cory Vidales. We also have our two directors, Direct FM Reyes and Direct Dolly Duno. Mga kapamilya all over the world, this is the 11th version of Nipo TV's Mother, only here in the Philippines. 10th.
Si Rondell, Miss Kylie, welcome here. of Saving Grace and our wonderful executives and directors. Maraming salamat po. Makikita niyo po silang lahat sa Saving Grace November 28 on Prime Video. Maraming salamat po.
This is exclusively streamed